guys, and welcome back to a new vlog. I hope you guys are doing well because I am. So yeah guys, I'm actually gonna make me coffee now, and then we have to move to go to campus because where I am, okay, now they're not running that late. I was just requesting to. So yeah, so then we're gonna go to campus. Today is Monday, but guys, I have a lot to do when I have to come back because I didn't clean this weekend, first of all, and I didn't do my hair wash day routine. So that is what we're gonna do today actually. So tomorrow I think I'll do my grocery shopping. Yes, because tomorrow like my classes end a little bit earlier, but there's something else that I wanted to do on campus. I think I'll just skip that thing and just maybe do the grocery shopping. But yeah guys, how are you guys doing this week? Today it's Monday. I don't have blue on today. I don't have Monday blues on. So how are you guys doing? Anyways, so let me rather just make my coffee and then I'll see you guys later. Today's weather is so gloomy, guys. Look at the back. But I'm actually on my way to go buy me coffee because I actually need a little bit of caffeine. I actually got my coffee. I ordered me a cappuccino and a cheese sandwich because I was actually hungry. And don't mind my pumple because I'm just breaking out, guys. I don't know what it is. I think it's stress. So yeah, I'm just gonna do some work now and then wait for my next class. I'm actually on my way home now. Morning, you guys. I forgot to let you guys know I was like in a rush this morning, but like I'm coming to do my grocery shopping now at the moment. So yeah, I just need to do my groceries. Like I was running so late this morning. But anyways, we are here in Tiger Valley, so yeah. I'm just having like a cappuccino now, and I bought it by Krispy Kreme. So because I didn't have my morning coffee, I was running late this morning, and the thing is that I woke up so early, and I don't know why I was running late. It's because of this hair. I wanted to do a cute hairstyle, and usually I don't style my hair during the week, but like I did a hair wash day this morning. I did a hair wash day this morning. Then let me just do cute hairstyles for the rest of the week. You see, because Ramadan is gonna start soon, and then I'm not gonna have like chance to do any hairstyles because I am planning, inshallah, to wear my hijab during Ramadan. So yeah, just having my cappuccino now. Oh, and I ordered me 3 donuts. It's the I have to show you guys once I'm gonna, but I'm not even in the mood for donuts. It's too early. I didn't have my morning coffee, so it's not that early. It's late, but the thing is, I haven't had anything to eat for the day, so yeah. And I have like a cute fit on today. I'm drink my coffee and then I'll show you guys what I ordered as well, and then we're gonna do some shopping. Look at my clothes. This is the hairstyle I actually did today, so as you guys could see. But anyways, a little grocery haul. I just want to show you guys what I got. I didn't get much, but anyways, let's start by picking popcorn. You guys know I love my popcorn. And then my Good Morning biscuits, my Nando sauce, the mild one, mayonnaise, couscous. I'm trying to cut rice out of my diet. I love basmati rice and I really don't want to eat it so much, but anyways, spaghetti. I'm actually in the mood for pasta. Like tuna, 1 packet of noodles, bought me like toilet cleaner, packet of chili top, peanut butter, vanilla essence. Poppity, I like this flavor as well. Stir fried vegetable mix. I haven't had this in a while, so I'm actually craving this. 1 pack of yogurt, energy bars. Forwards. Oh, and then my apple cables. I love this one. 3 for 75, I think. I can't remember, but then cranberry, orange juice, baby spinach, chicken schnitzels, wraps. Oh, and then the star of the show, tea. Guys, I haven't had tea in a while, and I love rooibos tea. Like, I love tea, but since the semester started, I've been drinking coffee a lot, and I don't like that for myself, so I bought me tea. Like, just go back to my roots, because I'm a tea lover. I'm not really a coffee lover. I love iced coffee though. Then we're gonna go for this bag that's over 1K. No, it's just sad to see how your money disappears. But I want to try this Vida is Life shampoo and conditioner. Initially I wanted to try the Perfect Hair Right shampoo, but they didn't have it. I was there last week Saturday as well, and they didn't have it, so I tried today again. No, I was there Sunday. Yes, I was there Sunday, and they didn't have it, so I was like, let me come back. And I went today and they still didn't have it, but it's fine. I mean, like tissues, I'm gonna put this in my tote bags now for campus. Always panty liners, blades, my Listerine, toothpaste, my soap. Try the Perfect Hair out. This is what I'm going to try. So yeah, I bought me the leave-in butter, and then I bought me the curl activating gel. You guys already know Camille Rose. I love this. I wanted to try new mousse. I'm used to the Jackie's one, but like I want to try new things for my hair. That's the reason why I bought the Perfect Hair, because I use the deep conditioner, but I've never used like the gel and the leave-in butter, so I want to try and use it, like, you know. And Camille Rose, I know how that works. I feel like that works for my hair wash days. So my natural mousse, so I'm gonna try this. And then my Dove, 2 of these, and then that's it. And then just a small little stationery haul. Guys, life is expensive. I like watching Harry Potter. Like, I haven't watched it in a while. So this book, and it was like on special. It was like 30 rand. So I was like, yes, I need to have her. So yeah, and then I just bought me another book, like sectioned, you see. I'm gonna unpack, and then I'll see you guys either tomorrow or tonight. So this is literally the last bit, guys, before I open the new one. I just want to get this out of the way. Actually, mine's plastic bag there. I must still pack that stuff away. How are you guys doing today? I'm actually gonna get ready now so I can actually go to campus. I just had to drink my lemon water, and then I'm just gonna go to campus so I can actually go study today, just to get some work done. But yo guys, for the past few days I've just been busy. Even though I'm vlogging, I don't think this vlog will be up this week. I think maybe the week after that, because this week I didn't realize how hectic things were gonna get this semester, because I have a test on Monday, right? I have an assignment due that same week, and then I think it's our service day. Yeah, it's a service day that we also need to do, so that also has to be done. I think the Friday is the 15th, and then Ramadan is starting soon, guys. There's a lot going on this semester. Usually it's not as hectic, but I feel like this year it's a little bit hectic for first semester, but it's fine. Like, time is flying, guys. Like, time is really flying so fast. Already the third, or is it the fourth week of university? The workload is just getting more and more and more, but it's fine. We just have to push through. So if you're in my situation now, you also have a lot going on with your life, like, just good luck. We got this. Usually I wake up so early, but this week I'm just very tired. I think ever like you wake up and you're tired. Now I know why I'm like that, because why I go to sleep quite at a reasonable time, 11 o'clock, before 12, but then while I'm sleeping I'm busy memorizing work, I'm busy thinking about work. Like, my brain is not shutting off. So that's the thing. But anyways, let me rather get done, and I'm gonna make me tea now. I'm in the mood for tea. Like, I don't want to drink coffee too much. Like, this semester, I told you guys yesterday, this semester I've been drinking coffee so much. So I'm like, no, try to cut back a little bit. Like, drink your tea. Like, I love tea, guys. So I'm just gonna start drinking my tea again. See me. I hope you guys can see me, because I can't see you. But like I said, I forgot my water. No, I didn't forget it. I went to the shop to go refill my water, and the shop was closed. So I need to buy me water tonight when I come back, and I need to buy my water now on campus to drink for now. Anyways, as I'm walking to go buy me water, I changed my mind. I'm actually hungry now. And I just ate breakfast, guys. I had like muesli, but now I'm hungry. So I'm just gonna order me chips. Because I've been craving chips. I haven't had chips in a while. And I don't usually make myself chips. I would rather just buy me chips on campus. So I need to go buy me chips now. It's like you are hungry, you are full, but the minute you come to campus, you are hungry. So guys, I go. I'm eating my food now. I waited so long. I think I waited like almost more than half an hour. I think it's like 40 minutes, and I bought me water as well. So yeah, I never had the wings. I usually eat the chips, but I never had the wings. And then today I saw they had actually cheese sandwich. Today when I wasn't like in the mood to buy it, I saw they had it, but it's fine anyways. Guys, now it was the chicken strips, and they didn't have the wings, so I ordered the chicken strips and the chips. So that is what I'm having, and it's not as bad. It's actually very nice. I haven't had chicken strips in a while. That's not something I would usually like eat at home. So yeah, it's kind of nice though. You know when they say food gives you energy, food doesn't give you energy. Food makes me sleepy. It's probably the food I ate, because it was the chicken tenders and the fries. So yeah, I'm just having a mint, and then we're gonna do some work. Oh, and printed out my stuff. So yeah. Basically my assignment that I printed out, and then yeah, I think that's it. guys, I'm on campus. I forgot to even greet you guys this morning, but I'm on campus now. So we had like food trucks on campus, so I just ordered me something to eat. I had boba earlier on, and now we just ordered. Oh, we're keeping it safe, so guys, and I love food nowadays. I love food. I ordered me what did we order? The ribs and the chips, and we ordered 2 burgers. Imagine, but I'm gonna take the burgers home because I know I'm not gonna be able to finish it. I wonder if they gave us forks now. Now things like this. What's up, you guys? No, morning. Sorry, it is morning still. So morning, you guys. How are you guys doing? Like, I feel like I haven't spoken to you guys for this whole week. Like, I feel like I don't know how my vlogging was this week because I haven't started editing yet, so I'll see. But like, I feel like I haven't spoken to you guys. Like, every afternoon I would just come back and like I don't speak to you guys like I would usually do. I don't. How are you guys doing? Like, how is uni? How is life? How are you doing? Today is Friday, so I'm just having some breakfast now. I'm having like chia seeds and it's almost up, and then I'm just watching some YouTube. After this we have to go to the mosques because it is Friday. So one of my Muslim subscribers, so Juma Mubarak to you. Anyways, I'm just coming on here to ask you guys like, how are you guys doing? Because me personally, I have a lot going on, but like I'm gonna discuss that with my next vlog. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, and maybe I'm just gonna start a new one. I hope you guys really enjoyed spending time with me for this week. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.